Good morning, everybody. My name is Scott Kidd. I'm the Vice President of Food and Beverage at Live Casino in Hanover, Maryland. I'm coming to you today to celebrate National Donut Day, and so I thought I'd bring something a little bit non-traditional to share with all of you. The recipe's online. It brings together two of my favorite foods, glazed donuts and bacon. If you've never had or never used bacon in a bread dish before, this is a great one to do it with. We've got a wonderful glaze that goes over this. It's made with milk, powdered sugar, and some maple syrup that's aged in bourbon barrels. And so in the recipe, you're going to want to warm the milk a little bit in the microwave, mix it with the sugar, add the yeast, let the yeast bloom for about half an hour. You're going to add the rest of the dry ingredients, and you're going to let that mix on slow speed for about 10 minutes. All right. Reserve the cooked bacon until the very end. Once you've developed the dough in the mixer and it's ready to go, and ready to go in for proofing, you're going to add the chopped bacon to it, let it mix for one more minute. All right, take it out of the dough, your dough mixer, let it proof for about an hour. It's going to double in size. When it doubles in size, you're going to take it out, you're going to roll it out on a floured board about 3/4 inch thick. You're going to cut out your donuts and your donut holes. You're going to lay them back on parchment paper. Let them proof one more time, so they're going to be almost double in size. So you can see here, we've got this nice yeast-raised donut. It's not cooked yet, but these are ready to be fried. Now, there's two ways you can cook these. You saw me demonstrate the air fryer with the jalapeno poppers earlier. You can also cook these in the air fryer as long as you have about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot, and try cooking them in about 4 to 6 minutes. Check them after that. They're going to be a little crunchy on the outside, almost like a bagel look to it, but you're going to dip them in the fondant glaze, and they're going to be beautiful. Now, more traditional way as well is to fry these, and so we're going to fry these here in just a couple of minutes. And so we also have our donut holes as well. You don't want to waste these. These are delicious. So let's meet me over at the fryer in just a minute. All right, we're back here ready to cook our donuts here. You can see I've cooked a couple of these ahead, glazed a few ahead. Now, there's two ways that you can cook these. You can also use your air fryer for about 4 to 6 minutes. You check them. Be almost more like a bagel though when it comes out, but you dip them in your glaze. But the more traditional way, of course, is frying them in oil. I've got my Dutch oven here, about 350 degrees, 2 inches of oil in here. And then we're just going to lay these in here. You're going to cook them about 2 minutes per side, and flip them obviously at 2 minutes. So once you take them out, you're going to let them cool off a little bit here. We've got our glaze that we made, and so what I like to do is double glaze these. So you do it like a first dip, and then you do a second dip after that sets up. So I'm going to lay this in here. Got this yummy glaze here. Just pull them up, let them dry. You can see here, these really look good. Yeah, perfect glaze, not too heavy. Good to glaze them when they're hot. The glaze will stick to them better. And then you can come back a second round once they've cooled just a little bit. So you can see here, we've got these beautiful donuts here. Enjoy these. I'm going to take a bite and try this recipe at home. Have a great day. Thank you.